Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 7, Urban Administration. Students, if you remember, in civics, in 5th chapter we have studied Panchayati Raj system, and that is related with village. In that chapter we studied how Panchayat or village Panchayat function at rural level. In that chapter we studied how Sarpanch and ward members they are elected and what are their functions. In 6th chapter we studied about rural administration, and in that chapter we studied about Patwari and police. Now we are going to start 7th chapter, and the title is Urban Administration. In this chapter we have to study about urban areas, means cities and big cities. How the administration is carried out in cities and big cities. Students, I am speaking the words cities and big cities. There is a reason behind it. In cities, there are municipal council. This word you have heard. And in big cities, there is municipal corporation. So that is the reason that I have used cities and big cities. How administration is carried out in cities and big cities, that we have to study in this chapter, Urban Administration. Students, in the beginning of this chapter we are given a story. If you remember, in chapter number 5 we are given the story of Hardas village. In chapter number 6 we are given the story of Raghu and Mohan, two farmers, and there was a conflict between them. Here also the chapter begins with a story of 4 friends in one of the streets of Pune. These 4 friends were Mala, Sankar, Jahangir and Rehana. These 4 friends, they were playing cricket on the street one Sunday afternoon. Rehana, she was batting for a long time, so to get her out, Sankar he bowled a short ball, and Rehana hit the ball so hard and so high that the street light broke. One Sunday afternoon, 4 friends, Mala, Sankar, Jahangir and Rehana, they were playing cricket on the street in Pune. Rehana had been batting for a long time. To get her out, Sankar he bowled a short ball, and Rehana she hit the ball so hard and so high that the street light broke. Rehana was worried. Not only Rehana, but Mala, Sankar and Jahangir, they were also worried. They remembered the last week incident. That last week when they were playing the same game, they had broken Nirmala Mausi's window. And that time these friends, they spent their pocket money to have it replaced. Now these friends, they were puzzled as the street light broke. They were perplexed, they were worried, they were confused, as they didn't know to whom they have to pay money. They didn't know to whom they have to pay money, to whom did the lights on the street belong, and who changed the street lights. This questions perplexed these four friends. Maybe they were ready to pay for it, but these questions were there in their mind: to whom they have to pay, whose lights were they, and who changed them. These children, they didn't know. Rehana's house, it was nearby, so Rehana went to her home and asked her mother about it. Rehana's mother, she didn't know much, but she informed them that the municipal corporation of the city that takes care of replacing lights. Rehana's mother informed Rehana and her friends that the municipal corporation of the city takes care of the lights. Further, she suggested that they would ask about municipal corporation and about this issue to Yasmin Khala. She used to live in the same land where Rehana used to stay. So Rehana's mother suggested the children to ask Yasmin Khala. Now, who was Yasmin Khala? Yasmin Khala, she had retired from the municipal corporation. Yasmin Khala, she was a working woman in municipal corporation, and now she had been retired. So Rehana's mother suggested the children to ask Yasmin Khala about it in detail. After listening this, the children, they went to Yasmin Khala's house. When they reached and they informed about the issue, about the problem that the street lights broke, Yasmin Khala informed them about municipal corporation in detail. That we will see in next video. So this is the beginning of the chapter, and in the beginning of the chapter we are given this story of four friends, Mala, Shankar, Jahangir and Rehana. They were playing cricket, and while playing, by mistake, Rehana broke the street light. They were perplexed as they didn't know to whom they have to pay, the lights belong to whom, and who changed them. They asked Rehana's mother. Rehana's mother suggested them to meet Yasmin Khala. Thank you, students.